This time it's ARX!
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota until 5:15 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northstrand, or 10 miles southeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Concord around 4:35 p.m. Claremont around 4:50 p.m. Blooming Prairie around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm
I don't know why you got
include
kicked
County
out.
Roads 20 and 5, Concord, Eden, County Roads 5 and 6, Wasioja, Highway 56 and County 6 and Graves Landing Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota,